how to start a live video in your YouTube channel. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can start a live video from your YouTube channel. So I will be demonstrating this using my Android device and you can follow likewise. So the first thing is to launch your YouTube application by tapping onto the app icon, and once the YouTube application successfully launches, you can simply choose that particular account which have more than 50 subscribers in it. I am saying this because, as I can demonstrate right here, if you have a channel with less than 50 subscribers and you try to create any live video, or if you want to go live, then after allowing all of these permissions you will see a message like this that says you would require at least 50 subscribers in order to go live. And once you are done with this and you have achieved the 50 subscribers mark, you can simply go live using this live button right here. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.